Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya Konrad ke Sangma mentagasngi ulalet jurip yaka Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center ha Hyderabad ban pejbenia yaki kor Khubor bat ki Rukom Treikam ki ba pendenkam yaka teknologi naga benta ban budin bat pejngor yaki jingjia ki ba man nakasngi. Hakani ke jinglet jurip lapan syai hau yaka Rukom Treikam jaka center ka ba penyeso lang ya bun kitnat sorkar hapo ka wei karensan teknologi bat pensuk yaka jingya sam jingtip ka jing pejngor hakapor ka ba biang bat ka jing shimrai ka ba kham kloi haba kran hadin ka jinglet jurip Konrad ke Sangma ulapan pau yaka jing sngo tenat ban yoi yaka jing pendenkam yaki kor Khubor bat ka jingya Treikam ka ba yat bet yat renti da baro kisnat Treikam hapo ka center da ka thong ban penjana yaka jing syakri yaki pat ba hakiliang baro ula benrap ba kani ka center ka long ka nuksa ka ba bhatam na ka bantai ki Jylla ba pher ha kari kentup yaka Meghalaya ban pendenkam yaka teknologi na ka banta ban ai ka jing syakri ka ba paka yaki nong shong shnong.
Another tower is tower D, sir. In the front we can see 2 floors on the right. We have a training hall, sir, a media briefing center and a cafeteria, sir. Another
And similarly, any accident, manufacturer accidents, we coordinate and see whether ambulance, Navy, fire
has helped Hyderabad remain peaceful and incident-free since 2014, setting a model for
waiting for the human intervention to happen that that I remember the 9%. It should happen automatically every day. These kind of basic things, especially on periods like these, are
one of the fastest in the country. An ATC call center operates on the clock, seamlessly connected to over 1,200 petrol cars and 1,600 locals, all equipped with GIS systems and mobile data terminals.
likewise, medical and health departments. You see, all the emergency calls which handle on hundreds, we have a coordination with the team and we will get emergencies reported here. Say, for example, a suicide attempt kind of emergencies reported.
So we are here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center, and without any doubt, this is most probably one of the best integrated command and control centers in the country, because it's not just the technology that they are using out here, but it is the system that they have developed to really coordinate and really ensure that the aspect of governance is improved and made better by ensuring technology is used, departments coordinate, and the overall services that they want to provide to the people become better. So it's a great example which I think many states should learn, and therefore I have come personally myself to see the work going on here, and I can assure you that we will try to replicate as much as possible from what we have seen here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center and try to replicate it back in our state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much.